What's up, y'all? It's your girl Yana, and today I am back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I make my thumbnails because a lot of people been asking. So yeah, I'm about to start now. So I use two apps. The two apps I use is Superimpose X and Phonto. I think I said that right. But them the two that I use. So I'm about to start now. Basically, I go to Superimpose X. Just pick a thumbnail. I already made one for this video. And then I'll go to 16:9 at the bottom. I go to that one. Move it up how I want it. Size it. About right there. Be right. Okay, click the check. And after I do that, I add another photo layer of the same picture, 16:9 again, and basically transform it how I want it. Make it a little smaller, probably bigger, doesn't matter. It's however you really want it. Then after that, what do I do next? I go to click on the background. Not click on that. No, I click on the background. Okay, well, I'm gonna start with the middle photo. I go to middle photo, and then I go to mask tools. My favorite one is that one right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but that one right there is my favorite one. Basically the first one, and I'll pull it closer like that, and basically just mask around like that. Like that. It really don't have to be perfect. Like that. Probably just fast forward this part because this is something that you guys could probably do yourself. That. Go under. Like that. Squeeze it over there. Like that. And then like that. And I just click the check. And basically, back. Basically like that. And then I go to transform. Basically to move this around. Probably make it a little bigger. Like that. Yeah, perfect. And then go to the background. I forgot what I went to for this. I think I went to effects. No, it's not that. Motion blur, that's what I go to. And I pull it kind of over there like that. Yeah, basically like that. Okay, there we go. And then after I do it like that, I'm gonna go to here, click on this one. No, I was at the right one. Click on that one, and then editor, there we go. Then I'll go to tools and mask outline, and basically you just put it how big you want it. I get it like, if I usually get like that. After I get it like that, I don't want it too big, probably just a little bit bigger. Yeah. Okay, I feel like that. I click the check, then do it again. This time I just put the color on black, like that, and move it down a little bit, just like that. Go on black, go on black, and then the check. Okay, and then this is where I usually do colors, anything. I don't know what color I'm gonna do this time, but I go click the plus again, then go to empty layer. Basically, well, not empty layer, my bad. delete. I click the plus again, then I go to photo layer. This time I'm gonna go to the bottom and I'm gonna click colors. As I click, I already had some colors up here, but I don't think I want no colors. I'm probably gonna go with like a yellow this time. I never tried yellow, but I'm gonna go with that one this time. But if I go to yellow, dang, it's this one. My bad, y'all. Go to yellow. Then I'm gonna click 16 by 9, check. There you go. And blend. Then you go to overlay. Well, after fit to canvas, overlay. Okay, then after that, I'll go here, drag this one over here, like that. Basically, yeah. And as you can see, you can make this big or small, but I'm just gonna make it like that because I kind of chopped out my arm, but I didn't want to start over. So yeah, like that. And then I'm going to, let me just go to colors and saturation, probably up the saturation just a little bit. And I go to cast shadow, probably make this, you see how it just changes the background, probably up that all the way. And then after that, this is how it looks so far. Then after that, basically, I'm really done. That's how it look on now. I'm done with this one, so basically go there and then go to photos, saving, check. Then I'll go to Phonto and just go to photo camera, that one, and done. Okay, then I'll just click add text and I'll just put how. I choose that font because that's the font I really like and that's one I always use. Just put how. I can resize it. Well, I'm gonna put some more up there. How I, and then, my bad y'all, but and then I basically type how I split it up most of the time. And then I'll just go to style because I already got the font and how big I want it. I go to stroke and just up that a little bit. But I think in this one I'm gonna make the text black and the words white, the stroke white. So I just make it how fat I want it. I'll put it at 12 this time. Or I might do it the other way because I like the other way. Text white, stroke black. Text white and stroke black. I just up the stroke a little bit more. There we go. How I, and you just put it anywhere you want. And then text again. Make my. Okay. And now move it over. Size it how I want to. Make my. Okay, and then I'll probably go to style again. Then I'll go to stroke and make my stroke. No, I had the text black and a stroke white. Yeah, that's what I had it. And I had it at 12, so I just put that one at 12 also. See, I done got mixed up. Just that. Okay. And I probably up the stroke a little bit more on this one since it's more words. I'll just do it like that. Size it a little bit more, smaller. Then, okay, now I just put make mine. Then after that, I will just write thumbnails. Done. And then I'll probably size it up how I want it. Probably make that one a little bit bigger, just so it's just wearing thumbnails. And then, well, this is what I'll probably move that up. Like that. Move this like that. And then thumbnails. Size it like that. Okay, and I click on it style, and I think I had the text black and a stroke white. I don't be remembering, y'all. I'll be having to go back and look. And I'll just type thumbnails like that. And I'll just be going with how the things look. So basically I just made that bigger like that. And then I'll probably do text again, and I'll just put like the, maybe I'll put, let me see what emoji I should put. See what emoji I should put. Probably just put, y'all, but the hardest part be finding what emoji. Probably put the fire emoji, yeah. Size it up, just like that. Let's put this in the corner. Fire emoji, just like that. And then I'll just go here. Just go to save image. So that's what we save. And this is the outcome. So y'all, that is basically how I make my thumbnails. I'm sorry it's loud in the background, but yeah, that is basically how I make my thumbnails. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Get me to 200 subscribers because I'm almost there. But if y'all have any other suggestions that y'all want to know about any else videos that you want me to do, just comment down below. Just give me 200 subscribers. Don't forget to click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and y'all just stay tuned to the next video.